Where's this thing? Well, guys, welcome back to my channel. Why am I on my tape? Let me pull that up. Because today I'm going to be making slime. Yes, slime. So my friend / sister gave me this one, and it's this really cool glittery slime. It has purple glitter in it, and I really like this one. It's really stretchy. It's really stretchy, and it has a shock in it. So I got some glue for my own, and so I got three different glue bottles, and then I got some 5 containers for my slime. I'm just gonna leave this here while I get everything out. So, and then I got 3 glue bottles. So that. Okay, so now I'm going to make the slime. So right there. No, it's not working. So I'm only gonna be waiting one because I don't have a because it's 9 o'clock and that's when I have to go to sleep. So I have to go get something so you can see making it. So maybe this might work. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna use this. So the ingredients that I have is Elmer's glue. I got this for $1 at Kmart. I have shaving cream. I've seen with this in a lot of my videos. My handy dandy shaving cream. I kept that. And then I have body lotion or lotion. And then I have foaming hand soap to make it a lot softer and make it smell better. And then have my solution. I have hot water for this. And then I have 2 spoons. So and I also have my containers. And I'm going to take a container and I'm going to make it in the container and then keep it in the container because I don't want to waste any of my bowls at my house. I just got little ones, so I got this is a 5-pack. So this is like little small ones. They're not the big ones. They're about the size of my face. I just got 5 of those. So there was 5 in 1 pack. Oh no! Oh no! No! I'll suck this back up. Okay. I'm gonna set it back up. Okay. This is a really bad setup. Just saying. And I hate this setup. It worked a minute ago. Okay, so I'm going to make my borax solution first, and I just put hot water in a cup. Well, the only reason why you do hot water is because it dissolves faster. Now I'm gonna take. I know people say borax is bad because it'll give you 100 degrees, 100 degree burns. But if you dissolve it all the way and it's all the way, like if it's all the way dissolved, it will be fine. And you just can't eat it too. Oh, that was a lot. To mix it, that was a lot. Oh no, I might need to do. Well, it might work. Let me see if it's all the way dissolved. Okay, so once I get to that point where I have to use it, I'll use it. Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna take my handy dandy bowl here and take my glue and actually, yeah, you can move. And something smaller. There we go. I know you might not be able to see it all the way, but that should not be a problem. Okay, so I have my bowl here. Actually, I just do this. I'm gonna flip this over and it's gonna go in there, but it's okay, so now I'm gonna take my Elmer's gold. Elmer's best that I've heard. There might be a little bit of background noise because we need to do our laundry.
Can you please get in here and clean up all this?
I got one more now.
What are we doing with this? Get it out of here.
Okay. Put a lot and okay. So we're still so quick coming down. Okay. So now I have all my glue in the bowl. And yes, the setup did just change. So now I'm gonna add my shaving cream. Okay. Now I'm gonna add my shaving cream. I don't like to add a lot because then it doesn't make it stretchy. So I'm gonna add that much. Only that much because then it doesn't make it stretchy. Now I'm going to mix it up, and I'm not going to be using food dye because I don't have any. Wait, I do have food dye. Yes, I'll be right back. Just realized I had to throw it away. Okay, so okay, so here's what it is right now. And now I'm going to add in my lotion to make it soft. This is from Bath and Body Works. It's Magic in the Air. That should be good. This makes it smell good and makes it softer. Hopefully I can make this bowl not so dirty. And now I'm going to add in cinnamon caramel swirl hand soap. Ooh, oh my god, that almost fell. So it's basically just going to be like for the whole thing. Now it smells super good. It's kind of already clumping up. Like a little. Might just be me. Okay, so it's still wet. It's still the same texture. Now I need to add. It dissolved, I think. Yeah. So now it's time to add. Oh, that was a lot. It smells really good though. Okay, so some activator. Can't really show you, but it's coming together. Yeah. Yay. And these containers are good because you can like grip around them. Yes. And I'm not sure if I'll do a video on these two. I might. It depends on if I have time. And I kind of need to hurry up because this video is going to get rejected. Oh no. Okay, so. Oh gosh, I need to hurry. It's like the 3-minute challenge. So I'm just going to do it like this now. Oh, I could have been doing it like this the whole time. Let me sit down. Okay. Looks pretty stretchy to me. Yep, definitely looks stretchy. And add a little bit more. Oh, dripped a little bit. It's coming together. Yes. Oh wow, that's soft. Put it in there. Just put it right there. Oh wow, this is cool. I never make fluffy slime anymore. I'm always too busy making it. This is awesome. It's sticky though. So I need to add more. Oh, so far not a fail. Oh yeah. This is some great slime. You need to get it all off the bowl. Did you see that? Yes, it's working. No, it's not actually that stretchy anymore. I think I had a little too much shaving cream. Nope. Alright, so now I have to clean up my mess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and bye!